Hi all, my name is Mikola and today I will show you how to synchronize your HubSpot CRM with your Monday.com account without the limitations that native integration has. You may find a native HubSpot to Monday.com integration in HubSpot Marketplace. However, it has 4 key limitations that Resync.io doesn't. First, it's only one-way sync. You can only bring information from HubSpot into Monday.com. Second is the ability to synchronize custom properties. You can bring custom property values during initial sync from HubSpot to Monday.com. However, if those are updated in HubSpot, those would not be updated in Monday.com, which kind of makes your records out of sync. The third one is that the only one person can set all the integrations and all the permissions. You cannot have different connections created by different person. And the fourth is that you can only connect one HubSpot account to one Monday.com account. You cannot connect multiple to one or vice versa. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to synchronize HubSpot CRM with your Monday.com account without those restrictions. Let's talk about prerequisite first. So here I have a HubSpot contact database with a custom property. I have also created an empty Monday.com board. The important part here is that all status columns should have values already created. Resync.io won't create those automatically. I have Resync.io account, and one more important thing is that I have installed Resync.io app from Monday.com Marketplace into my Monday.com account. Now let's create a sync. I'm going to Resync.io, click Create New, call it Contact Sync. Decide that on data sources, so I'm going to connect HubSpot and Monday.com. Here I can create a connection and I can create as many connections to as many accounts as I want. Thus, you can overcome the limitation of native integration. I have already connected accounts. Feel free to try it. It's pretty simple and intuitive. Now I'm connecting CRM and picking a proper entity, contacts in this particular case. For Monday.com, I'm picking workspace and the appropriate board. The next stage is filters. You may decide to filter records that you want to sync based on certain criteria. In this particular case, I want to sync all the contacts, so I'm skipping. The next part is the possibility to create and delete items automatically. So if a new contact was created in HubSpot, should it be created in Monday.com? If yes, then this arrow should be checked. And vice versa. If I created a new item in Monday.com, I should check this one if I want to create it automatically in HubSpot. Same for deletion, but be careful about deletion. Try it on the test data to understand this concept better first. Now let's map our fields. First of all, it could be done automatically if column names are same. So I'm clicking map automatically and I'm having auto mapping. You can also add one by one. It's up to you. The only one that is missing here is possibility to sync full name. So I have full name or email here, and I wanted to sync with item name in Monday.com. So now we have all columns mapped, and we can decide on sync direction. By default, you can see there is a synchronization from HubSpot into Monday.com, but for all columns that are not read-only, you can make it vice versa or two-way. Let's make it two-way for the demo purpose. Okay, so we're all set. Let's launch it and test it. So if you launch a synchronization, it would automatically start a sync, and then it would automatically sync your data every 10 minutes. However, there is a button called Sync Now, where you can always try your setup. Let's navigate to Monday.com. As you can see, we have already having our contacts being created. And let's try adding custom property in Monday.com and adding a custom property in HubSpot. So I'm taking this record and calling it test property from Monday.com. And I'm going to HubSpot and doing a HubSpot test. So during the next sync, I would like those properties to be synced in both ways. So as we can see, our first sync is success. Now click Sync Now and launch it another time. Okay, it's syncing. So in Monday.com, I already see a HubSpot test and the one that was there. For HubSpot, I will probably need to do a refresh. And here we go. So thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed. Feel free to try synchronization, try different config, different fields, and let us know what you think. I hope it's useful for you.